Human malware. Let's think about that for a second. So malware is software that basically has a malicious behavior and causes the system of your computer to be able to function in a manner that is undesirable. For example, such as hogging the CPU or the RAM in your system, where you just simply can't do anything on the computer anymore. Now, think about this for a sec. With that type of behavior, where things such as resources are being hogged, then when you go to the store and you notice that there's no toilet paper or flour, sugar, rice, beans, it's pretty much human malware. So now all we got to do is figure out how to come up with a anti-malware program that works on humans. But seriously, this is getting out of hand, people. But one thing that you can do to fight back, or at least to help in a way, is to go out of your way and say things around the house, such as say like hand sanitizer right here. You can go ahead and bottle that up. Don't be selling it for outrageous amounts like you see online with the funny videos of people hawking off toilet paper rolls for 20 bucks a roll. It's just ridiculous. So do what you can to be able to help your neighbors and even people that you don't know. That, say for example, you have a bunch of rice in your pantry and you're not a big rice eater. Maybe create some small bags of rice and let people know on Nextdoor or other neighborhood apps that you have some available if people are in need. We will get through this together. It's just, we shouldn't have to be creating a situation like this to begin with. Again, thank you so much for watching my tech rant. Please stay tuned for the next one. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, go ahead and slap that like button if you're into that kind of thing, and if you didn't like this video, then go ahead and slap that dislike button twice, so we know that you mean it.